So guys, here is my PS3 and here is the HDMI cable. So you want to put one end of the HDMI cable, you want to connect that to your TV. So let's go to the back of my TV right here and let's connect the HDMI cable to the back of my TV. It's a bit hard when I'm recording. Alright, there we go. It's now connected to the back of my TV. We're going to connect the other end to the back of the PS3. So here's the back of the PS3. Let's get the HDMI cable. It goes in right there. There we go. So now the HDMI cable has been plugged into my PS3 and the back of my TV. And now we're just going to turn on our PS3. Let's turn this on. And now, I don't know what you're using, either TV or monitor. For me, since I'm on TV, I'm going to select input. And I'm going to choose my HDMI. If you're using a monitor, you probably have to use the buttons to select HDMI. So let's wait for this to load. And there we go. My TV has now detected my PS3 through HDMI. That's how you do it.